Hey Pranay here, and today we will be painting a lion but with a small twist. So let's get started. Start with drawing the outline of the lion. While drawing the outline, observe the shapes and the basic proportions from the reference image. I will be leaving the link to the reference image in the description box. While drawing these separations for the hair, make sure that you don't overdo these because more separations will lead to longer duration to finish the painting. Observe the direction of flow of hair while drawing as it will later become difficult to correct them while you are painting. Before you begin painting, make sure you lighten the pencil drawing so that the pencil strokes are not visible through the colors that you apply. While using blue color, it will be better if you add a small quantity of white color because if you don't, then you will end up getting a patchy finish which looks bad, or else you can go again over the color that you had applied previously to get rid of those patches. While painting this piece, patience is really important. Let the paint that you applied first be dried. Now this is the most important part of the whole process. Be very careful while using the black color.